This is the homework video for Wednesday, 4/26. You're doing Unit 8, page 3, number 3, A, B, C, and D. This question is asking you about a square, and again, we're continuing to explore the relationship between a square's area and its side length. And one thing that I will say tonight is that you absolutely need to plot the coordinates of the square and show its area. So the first thing you have to do, really, in order to figure out anything about its side length, is to see what the square looks like. I used Desmos to plot the points, and then I connected the segments, and I'm using surround and subtract again, where I took and surrounded this tilted square with a rectangle, and the rectangle's height is 7 and base is 7, so 7 times 7 is 49. That means this entire thing is 49. Then on the outside of this, not part of the area of the 49, are 4 2x5 triangles, 2 and 5. 2 times 5 is 10, and half of that is 5. So each of these are 5, and 4 times 5 is 20. Therefore, 49 take away 20, 20 being the outside, leaves me with 29 units squared on the inside. And then the last thing I have to do is think about, well, if that's the area, what is the side length? Well, an exact answer for the side length would be the square root of 29, and I could just leave it that way. Or, and this is just my estimate, I did not check it with the calculator, I would say about 5.4. I base that on 5 times 5 is 25, and 6 times 6 is 36, and it's closer to 29 than it's closer to 25 than it is to 36. So I don't think it's 5.5 or more than 5.5. It's going to be a little less than half. And so now I can answer these questions. No, this is not true. The square's side length is 5. That would only be true if the area was 25. This is true. It's between 5 and 6. This is not true. It's not between 6 and 7. It would have to have an area of somewhere bigger than 36 and less than 49. And the square side length is not 7 because its area is not 49. That's it for tonight. Have a great night, and I'll see you tomorrow.